Hi, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the code which is relating to REST API. As we all know, whenever we are creating APIs, which is called application programming interfaces to create, there are different APIs we use like REST API, SOAP API and all that. So here I'm taking an example today in this video for REST API, which is an example which will be taken for get issue types. If you want to create get issue types, reference to the REST API, all that. First of all, we have to create a response for get REST API issue types, which is considered for as a string. We have to consider this as a string, followed by the kind of create issue, what is that we need to do. For that, we need to create a project key. So the project key, which is equal to TP, is what we have taken. At the same time, in reference to the task type and all that, so we are taking get REST API issue types and all, where as an object we are taking. As an object is what generally we are taking it as a list. At the same time, body find it as a name, as well as task will be considered and taken as in task ID. Now, if you want to present this, wherein we have to create a post where REST API is for two issues, because get issue types is what the code, what is that we need to write. So for that, we have to take an header for content type and as well as application, which can be used with JSON. At the same time, we have to mention the fields where we have to mention about summary type, which is called task summary. Along with this, we need to mention about the description. So the description for the task summary, that whatever the description you want to write, whichever we want, we can write to that. So I've just mentioned it as don't forget to do this, right? So that's what generally the description I have taken for the project. And we have to mention the key, which is called as a project key. At the same time, issue type, which is in ID, which we are considering as in ID, issue type, task type, all that. Finally, as a string body is what we have to update. So this is how generally the code which will be used to write when we are creating any APIs and all everything. This is how generally REST API as an example of get issue types is what I have taken. So this is all about this video. If you have any questions, if you have any queries in regard to this, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.